Now in this week's Ray and Neville Trailblazer feature, let's see what 1980s singer Thriller U has been up to lately.
Young and she green, young and she green, young and she green, she am a sweet 16. Young and she green, young and she green, young and she green, she am a sweet 16.
In 1989, singer Thriller U teamed up with dancehall artist Johnny P for the hit single Young and Green, which was produced by Winston Riley's Techniques label. The song formed part of a long-standing relationship that Thriller U had with the downtown Kingston-based label. But after scoring a number of hits in the dancehall between the late 1980s and into the early 1990s, we haven't heard much from Thriller U, so what has he been up to these days?
Look in my eyes, what do you see? There's no doubt the message is clear.
Born Eustace Hamilton, Thriller U developed an interest in music after his sister Peaches took him to see her perform at a concert. Originally from the Gordon Penn and the Sligoville areas of Spanish Town in St. Catherine, Thriller U began singing on the sound systems Creation and Mellow Stereo. He recorded his first song for Fatis Burrell titled Love Song, a cover of the Billy Ocean hit for the Vina Recordings label. However, it was the song Juggling for the Firehouse label in 1987 which became his first hit.
Should have known better on a children, the wasted chance that I've been given. So we're never gonna dance again the way I danced with you.
Thriller U's star began to rise and he scored hits with Gregory Abbott's I'll Prove It to You, George Michael's Careless Whisper, and Michael Bolton's Back on My Feet Again. He also had a hit with a cover of My Love, originally recorded by Stevie Wonder and Julio Iglesias.
My love is warmer than a smile. My love gives to every needing child. If anyone should ask you who's my true love.
In the 1990s, Thriller U released albums for the Japan-based Avex Recordings label. To date, he has released close to 20 albums, his last being 2013's self-titled Thriller U. In 1998, along with singers Tony Curtis, Singing Melody, and Lukey D, he formed the group Lust, which still performed today. Thriller U recently released the video Non-Genuine, and as of July 2017, he has begun working on a new album for the Naya Bless music label. This has been our Ray and Nephew Trailblazers feature, where we bring you information on what some of our past musical stars have been up to these days. Join us next time for another feature.
A sound tonight, yes tonight, gonna kill them. Oh yeah, what is that? Stop it!
Now it's time to check out which one of your favorite songs made the cut in this week's Magnum Top 10 chart.
Tell them we're the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. And on the realest people live the hardest life. So now we shine.
This black corner, big man a time take. Anywhere you go, anywhere the crime spread. Me load it up and bust it for the bread.
My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings. Turn me on, 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 turn me on. Girl, when you wipe.
When they broke and hungry, nobody care. When they close, them full of tear. But when a Louis V you start wear, you want beer things that start here.
You have a clean mouth and your lips them sexy. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi. Your back man a use and your face look cute. Deal with me like a back juice.
Life is what you make it. Me I make my life this. Me a hustling any weather. Me a hustle just to make it better.
Bring it to the owner. No. Stop everything you do, go take a show and bring it to the owner. No. Love it, when you sit down, when you cook it. Some love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
Me not talk, me want it fast. Left from my school and straight up me turn a pass. No give me no talk, young lad. Jump in the aircraft, push start and it take off. Pretty girl with a body, we with a mad anybody. You me need a pretty type from a team. Here some first time turn I'll be rest of the street, you know what I mean? He said, hey pretty girl, what you doing out there? Say she hurting, I love her, no she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, we with a mad anybody. So me take her off for the scene.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana. Be sure to follow us on all social media at Pree Dis Show and like our Facebook page. Until next week, see you soon.
Welcome to the dancing class. Ladies, let me see you shake that. It's so easy, learn it fast. Right and left and hit them cross. You hear it to the left, then to the right. You know I see I get that too polite. Put your twist to it and do as ya. Every girl listen to me. Put it hanky, hanky. I'm on the under the hanky. We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gala bar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge.
You know I give me Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place crackle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge. Magnum.
Yes, the sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. My friend them on the corner, me I link them up, we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me, say I ride cool, say I play cool, say I stay cool, say I drink cool, say my friend them Billy spring them when I call them drink it in them when I cool for life. I call for life. I call for life. I call for life.
Your body needs hydration.
We have a post.
Even when work is a workout.
Up to $40 less than other popular rehydration drink brands, Lasco Hydrate is everyday hydration for everyday heroes.